Hello. I need to return this dress. Here is the receipt. May I ask why you are returning it? Is it too big or too small? It's too small. Is there anything wrong with the dress? I don't like the color. Is the dress damaged? Would you like to exchange it for another size? Let me check our refund policy. We can process a refund for you. Would you like the refund in cash or store credit? Your refund is complete. I need a refund. Would you like to exchange it for another item? Why are you returning it? Does the dress still have the tags? I lost my receipt. When did you buy it? You'll get a full refund. This was a gift. Can I return it? Would you like to try another size? Shall I refund to your card? Your refund is confirmed. Is the dress damaged? Is the size wrong? Would you like a different dress? The refund is approved. Is there anything else I can help with?